Chain rule, implicit differentiation, parametric equation presented by Kate Sebastian. So, what is chain rule? Chain rule allows us to differentiate from the most external power or exponent down to the central equations. So, for example, ng chain rule, find the derivative of y equals x raised to 3 plus 2x raised to 4. So, the first step is bababa muna itong 4. So, magiging 4 siya dito. Mapupunta siya dito. Then, rewrite the function ulit. Then, minus 1 since binaba nga siya. Then, times yung derivative ng function. So, kokopyahin lang muna itong function. Then, dito, i-derive na yung function. So, kopyahin lang ulit to. Then, derivative nung log ng function. So, then, isi-simplify lang to. Then, the right. So, 4 times 3 is equals to, then, yung 4, i-distribute lang sa lahat. So, magiging 4 times 3 is equals to 12. Then, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Then, copy lang dito. So, the final answer is this.